Hey everybody, I wanted to show you something really neat that we have at Earworks Audiology. I know some of us might be having a hard time getting around these days, and maybe we're unable to get to our regular hearing care appointments or to our regular provider. Earworks Audiology has these fantastic cleaning kits that can help you with the maintenance with your hearing devices. Helps keep them clean, helps keep them dry, and helps prolong the life of your hearing device. I'd like to show you what's inside this kit and how it might be able to assist you in your hearing care needs.
Okay, so in our Earworks cleaning kit, what is included are some cleansing wipes that you can use to wipe down your hearing aid. What you'll want to do is just open the wipe and wipe down the hearing device itself, and you can use one wipe for both, it'll be sufficient. Just wipe down where there may be any excess buildup of either wax, debris, or moisture that needs to get cleaned off the hearing aid. For our patients where moisture is a little bit more of a concern, what we can utilize is our dry aid kit, where you could place the devices to dry and pull out any excess moisture that we have using the drying capsule that is included. You'll just place that in the cup with the devices, and it'll help to remove any excess buildup of moisture within the devices itself. Also, we have a cleaning spray that can be used to spray on the devices as well, and then clean the hearing aids using a spray and the tissue, and we could use that to clean as well. So lots of options to help keep the devices clean and working at their best.